Okay, for the Christmas ball right here, we'll just take a little bit of white fondant and roll this into a ball, and then roll it back and forth and just kind of pinch it a little bit. And then we'll take it, and if this is damp, it'll stick. So we just pop it on there just like that, and then take any kind of tool and just kind of draw little lines. And then take one more little piece, roll it into a string type thing, cut it, fold it, insert the back of a paintbrush, and then place that right in the center for the little loop that you hang the ball on. Okay, so we'll do that. Then just take some buttercream, and you can do some little swirls or just little dots. We'll just do some dots on this. Okay, so we'll let that set just for a second, and then we'll do a little something else with it. This is a holly leaf cutter, which is a fondant and gum paste cutter. We can cut the holly out this way instead of doing it the first way I showed you with the buttercream. And you push this down, and it leaves a little mark on there. And I like to dry dust with a little bit of gold just all over the holly. And then take this, and you usually need a little bit of buttercream to stick it on there. And I do it so that the leaves are not completely flat. I kind of lift a few of them off. So I'll do one on there, and I'll do one on the chocolate. Okay, just like that. Take your red buttercream and just do little berries. Do these little candy canes. And see, I place them at an angle, not straight up and down. At an angle. And then just take your red. Then we've got our little Christmas tree, so we'll go back to the green. Again at an angle. And do our little balls on that. And then our gingerbread boy. Little zigzag. Buttons. Okay, stocking. Okay, so this is just cut out in the red. And this looks cute if you do a little sprig of holly on it also. Okay, then we could do a little snowman. Okay, and then the smaller black for the eyes. Buttons. And the last one I usually sometimes will do, and I do this a lot for New Year's also, is just do a star and then paint it gold. So these two, we're actually going to go ahead and take this gold dust that we used dry a minute ago and just add some liquid to it. Usually a clear alcohol. I'm actually just using water right now, so it'll take longer for it to evaporate. And just paint them. So these look good if you do these in gold and silver for New Year's also. And then take this and paint this. And there we go. Gorgeous Petit Fours for your holiday table.